Let me ask you one honest question. Why is it that most middle class people work hard their entire life, yet still worry about money? They study, they work overtime, they sacrifice, but financial stress never leaves. Today's video might make you uncomfortable because it's not about money, it's about habits. And if you are middle class, this video is for you. What is a financial trap? A financial trap is not something dangerous looking. It feels normal. Everyone around you is doing it. That's why it's so powerful. This trap slowly drains your money, time, and peace without realizing it. Let's break them one by one. Trap number 1. Lifestyle inflation. You get a salary hike. You feel happy. New phone, better house, more eating outside. But after 6 months, nothing changed. No savings, no investments. This is lifestyle inflation. The biggest lie we believe is, I deserve this because I earn more now. Reality, your future doesn't care what phone you used. Trap number 2. EMI mindset. EMI is the most dangerous word for the middle class because EMI makes expensive things look cheap. 2000 rupees per month feels small, but 10 EMIs together feel like a jail. Your salary comes before you even touch it. Bank takes their share. Freedom dies slowly. Trap number 3. Saving but not investing. Most middle class people are good savers, but saving is not wealth. Money in saving account feels safe, but inflation silently kills it. Your money is not growing. You are actually becoming poorer. Trap number 4. No emergency fund. Life doesn't warn you. Medical emergency, job loss, family issues. One event and years of saving disappear. Without emergency fund, you borrow at the worst time. Emergency fund is not investment, it's protection. Trap number 5. Wrong insurance. Insurance is sold using fear. Investment is sold using greed. When both are mixed, you lose. Insurance should protect your family. Investment should grow your money. Mixing them creates confusion and low returns. Trap number 6. I'll start later thinking. Later is the most expensive word. Later feels safe, but later steals time. Starting early with small amounts beats starting late with big amounts. Time is the real multiplier. Trap number 7. Fear of investing. Many people fear losing money, so they do nothing. But money sitting idle is guaranteed loss due to inflation. You don't need to be smart. You don't need to be consistent. Trap number 8. Status pressure. Society doesn't pay your EMIs, but society influences your spending. Big weddings, luxury phones, cars bigger than needs. Middle class spends money to look rich. Rich people spend money to stay rich. Trap number 9. No clear goals. Most people save randomly. No plan, no target. Money without direction disappears. Every rupee needs a purpose. Trap number 10. Ignoring retirement. Retirement is not old age. It's financial independence. Children have their own lives. PF is not enough. Future you depends on present you. Middle class doesn't need miracles. It needs awareness. Start small. Stay consistent. Avoid traps. Your income matters, but your habits matter more. If this video opened your eyes, like it. Subscribe for honest money education. Share this with your family.